Yoo-hoo! Hey, what's up you guys? This is PRAKHAR KULSHRESTha from Cash Influencer. This is my first online business, and before this business I have never made any money online. I was having only a YouTube channel and was earning money from it, but that money was not so much that could have changed my life. But Legendary Marketer is the first business, and I am lucky enough that I searched for the business that how to make money online, and Legendary Marketer comes in front of me and I joined it by watching a video just like you are watching as me. I have also watched someone else's video and then I joined Legendary Marketer, and I am lucky enough and thanks to God that I have grabbed this opportunity at that time, and now I am earning a good amount of money from the comfort of my home just by doing 1 or 2 hour work daily, because it's a part-time business and I never do it full-time business, because I have also other streams of income as well as offline also and some online also. But Legendary Marketer is one of my main online income streams apart from YouTube. I grabbed this opportunity and I am rocking in it, and also I wish you the same, because I was a beginner. And so if you are a beginner, if you have never started any business online, or if you have never earned any money online, then I will say this business is for you, because this business is step-by-step system, because you are never alone in this business. You are given a Facebook community of all around 15,000 members, and also of course there is CEO of this business too, who also helps you time by time. And also you are given a coach, your business plan advisor, and that is your business plan advisor. You and your business plan advisor discuss with each other to plan the strategies that can work for you as per your knowledge, as per your learning experience. So my friends, whenever you sign up Legendary Marketer, then you will be given a personal coach, a community of 15,000 members, and these are all those members which are rocking nowadays, because Legendary Marketer nowadays is hot system, and many of people from that group are earning a huge amount of money. The business we are in is something that really teaches you how to make money online. It teaches you the real skills that are needed to make money online. It will teach you each and everything, how to market yourself, how to tell your story to the audience. The first product of Legendary Marketer is Legendary Marketers Club, in which you will get a live class each month, and maybe you also get 2 or 3 trainings in this Legendary Marketer Club. And this Legendary Marketer Club is all about also comprised of the trainings of top earners, and also the strategies that top earners used and are getting results with those techniques. So I suggest you to join Legendary Marketer as early as possible, because I was a newbie, I was a beginner, and if you are a beginner then you can do this too. Please trust me and please believe me, because you are here never alone. Your coach guides you and you implement those things, and if you did it correctly then you got the results, just like I have done it, just like many others are doing it, and just like I am earning it. So it works for beginners. If you are a beginner, then from starting you will get 15 days training that will teach you each and everything of how to start an online business, how to market yourself. And also of course after this Legendary Marketer Club you will be offered a very interesting and very highly energetic and highly result producing product which is known as business blueprints, and there they have a storytelling formula in that. That storytelling formula is very much powerful, and because of that all those top earners are on top only because of that storytelling formula. So I suggest you to first sign up for the training, 15 days training. There you will learn each and everything about how to market yourself, how to make money online, and then upgrade yourself to the blueprints offer, and then start making money online, start your own online business just by learning the skills. This business is totally about earn while you learn, because you day by day learn the skills, you day by day learn the strategies, techniques, and you implement those strategies and you get the results. It is the same thing that I did and I got the results from it. So I can say this business is very easy if you take it seriously for some days in starting, because this is the only starting that can make you flourish for all your lifetime. And this business will give you a high life-changing commissions and passive income. So I will suggest you to just do this online business. And being a beginner, being a newbie, you can do this business too. So double thumbs up and all the best for you. So I will suggest you to join this business today, and I have given the link upside here or below in the description of this video. So just go down below or up and click that link and join Legendary Marketer today. Start from your Legendary Marketers Club, then get training of 15 days, and then upgrade yourself to the blueprint section that will help you to make a lot of huge passive income, unlimited money for you. And I will see you inside. All the best. Bye for now.